Hi, and welcome to Saltbox's Bite-Sized Demo, or if you prefer a play on words, Bit-Sized Demo. In today's edition, we're going to talk about a unique commerce use case in which we built a donation portal for the University of California in San Francisco and UCSF Benioff Children's Hospital on Salesforce's D2C commerce offering on the core platform. So just to show you the Benioff Children's Hospital site that we have stood up, you can see here we have a home page, all of the standard portal information that you would expect, the ability to get to different funds, which in our vernacular would be products, but they call them funds. Ability to get to different listing of fund pages based on categorization, more ways to give, etc. Of course, we have our header menu that talks about different ways to give, as well as a menu to be able to explore funds as well. That is very similar to what we'll spend the majority of our demo walking through, which is the main UCSF site. So once again, you can see here we have standard homepage content, our banner image, the ability to search for funds using the out-of-the-box search capabilities. They have a configurable way to set up priority areas that their donors can browse. And then we have some standard content that they requested on their page as well. This is all built on the LWR template and matches the Figma wireframes that they provided to us. Additionally, as you would expect, when you go into Explore Funds, you have the ability to select a category. In this case, we'll select all. Now, one of the reasons that they wanted to move to a more commerce-centric donation portal was the ability to add multiple funds to an individual cart. So traditionally, on a lot of donation portal platforms, you can donate to a fund and you can pay for that. However, it's typically just one fund that you're donating to at a time. So they saw an opportunity to allow people to browse multiple funds, add them to their cart, and then check out as well. Now, this is a demo environment, so we're still setting up some product images, but you can see here on our product detail page, or as they would call it, their fund detail page, we have information about the individual fund. And then what we also built in is the ability to make a one-time or monthly donation. So all the default configuration options are configurable for an individual product. But in this case, we'll go ahead and we'll select our one-time fund and we'll add that to our giving cart. We will, of course, then go back and give another gift. We'll get taken back to the Explore Funds. And in this case, I will add to this fund, which takes me to the product detail page. And then we'll select a monthly donation of $20. We'll continue our support for the next several months. And there will be a process that will actually charge my credit card each individual month as well. And we'll go ahead and add that to our giving cart as well. Now, just to complete the transactions, we'll go in and we'll actually review our gifts. And you can see here everything that's listed in my cart. We will go ahead and put in my name. We'll skip my phone. I'll say you have the option to choose if you want this to be anonymous, if you would like to give a donation on behalf of an organization, or you have the option to give a gift in memory or in honor of someone. When this occurs, it's powered by Salesforce Marketing Cloud to actually send an email to that person that you are donating in memory or in honor of. However, for this case, we'll go ahead and we'll continue to our billing. Our payment processor will pop up here. We'll type in our test credit card. We'll type in our expiration date, a security code, and then obviously the billing and shipping information that you would expect to have to enter. And we'll change this to North Carolina. And then you have the ability to place your order. And then you get taken to the order summary page that has all of the information that you entered. You have the ability to print this out for your tax information, etc. So the reason we wanted to show this is that while there's obviously a core focus on certain use cases, we do believe that Commerce Cloud can apply to several niche use cases